Welcome to Singapore, the Lion City, where tradition meets futuristic innovation. Today we begin our walking tour through this vibrant island nation. Our journey starts at the Merlion Park, the iconic symbol of Singapore's humble beginnings as a fishing village. Just steps away lies the heart of the business district, a forest of steel and glass, where the world's commerce thrives. Across the water, the Esplanade stands as a testament to the city's rich arts and culture scene. The Waterfront Promenade offers a perfect view of the ever-evolving skyline as we head toward the future. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. No tour is complete without witnessing the architectural marvel that is Marina Bay Sands, a true icon of modern design. Adjacent to it, the Art Science Museum seamlessly blends creativity with cutting-edge technology. Now let's step into a botanical wonderland at Gardens by the Bay, where nature and technology coexist. Walking among these towering super trees, you feel like you've stepped into a scene from a science fiction masterpiece. The Flower Dome offers a cool escape, showcasing flora from Mediterranean and semi-arid regions around the globe. And the Cloud Forest, with its breathtaking mountain and waterfall, is a true sanctuary of mist and green. But Singapore's heart lies in its heritage. Let's explore the bustling, colorful streets of Chinatown. The majestic Buddha Tooth Relic Temple stands tall, preserving centuries-old traditions amidst the modern city. Next, we journey to Little India, a sensory explosion of vibrant colors, fragrant spices, and lively energy. History comes alive at the Sri Mariamman Temple, the oldest Hindu temple in Singapore. In Kampong Glam, we find a unique blend of Malay heritage and modern street art in every alleyway. The Sultan Mosque remains a focal point for the community, its golden dome shining brightly over the district. As evening falls, Clarke Quay transforms into a bustling hub of riverside dining and nightlife. A river cruise offers a different perspective of the city's history, floating past landmarks old and new. For a moment of peace, Fort Canning Park provides a green sanctuary filled with stories of ancient kings. The National Gallery showcases the best of Southeast Asian art within a masterfully preserved colonial structure. As the sun sets on our first day, the city prepares for a night of endless possibilities. Join us in part 2. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.